2025 Land Rover. Oak is lost. We just made a beautiful key for this one. All modules locked. Sweet. Hello guys, how are you? We're gonna be working on a 2025 Land Rover Sport today. We're using Lock 50 C package. I connect to the RFA module here. Right, this is the connection. I have the wiring here and I connect this to the module. Here is the box. We're gonna be doing diagnostic utilities. This is log RFA and log BCM. So we're using C package and HW14. Okay. So special tools, key duplicator. Okay. So we are golden. We have the 4-3 line. From here, it's supposed to ask us to present every single working key that you have. We are in an all key loss situation, so we're only going to be presenting the HW14 key. And we're doing only one key for this vehicle. So here, if you have existing keys, use first. Otherwise, use the HW14. If you don't do the existing keys first, you will lose them. So you hit OK. Sorry, I didn't present it. Let's retry. You can point here. I'm presenting the key on the tool. So it's writing the key. The key has been writing. In order to test it, we gotta connect back the module. Okay. Disconnect it now from it. It's on a kind of awkward position, so patiently here, here. Back. So you have to connect the module back to test the key. If you test the key without connecting it, it doesn't gonna work. So let's just start the car. Come. We're all done. Thank you guys.